Have you ever wondered why you lack motivation? You feel like a slab of meat, full of anxiety and procrastination. You have a constant urge to binge ice cream and cry about it. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 scientifically proven steps to maximize your productivity. And you might find yourself surprised. So here's how it works. Step 1 and 2 go together. And step 3, arguably the most important step, is the bowl that ties everything together. So make sure you watch that. And there might be a secret 4th step at the end of the video. But first, we ponder. What is productivity? You have tons of work to do, but can't finish a single task no matter how hard you try. You, my friend, my peeps, my chum, maybe you simply are too busy. Maybe you have too much on your plate. So, after watching the video, before you implement any steps, I'm gonna need you to look at your schedule, alright? Look at the most important task. Which one can be get rid of, and which one you can get other people to do for you. Doing this will free up more of your precious time to achieve what's important. And with that definition out of the way, let's see how to maximize your productivity. Step 1. Stop thinking. It all started in the ancient year of 2017. Fresh off high school, I wanted to start a YouTube channel. I knew that I wanted to make video game content, and I thought to myself, there have been so many gaming channels on YouTube, how can I stand out? Why would people watch me? What would I do when I get monetized? How about designing my own merch? What about sponsors? What about hiring an editor? And I believe you spotted the mistake that I made, and perhaps you have. I sat there thinking about things so far from being true that they might as well never exist, which they don't, because I stopped myself before I even started. Having a goal and planning out your task is essential to becoming successful. But don't think about what happens if you fail. Don't let fear get in the way. Just try your best. Don't think it. Don't even say it. Don't think it. Don't say it. Don't think it. Don't say it. Don't think it. Don't say it. The bye-bye man. Have confidence in yourself and don't even consider the possibility of failing until you've tried your best. Which brings us to step number 2. Forget motivation. Forget about it. What the hell is this guy on about? You thought to yourself, you handsome, beautiful bastard. Right. So close your eyes and imagine this. You take up a new hobby and find yourself with a huge burst of energy. You've decided to master the skills. You're having so much fun, you feel like you can take on the whole world. A few weeks later, you're lying on your couch, binging Netflix, just like you always do. I know you do. I'm looking at you, Emily Smith and Jacob Johnson. You, my friend, have made a crucial mistake that so many of us made. You are relying on motivation. Right, so motivation is the initial burst of energy that you have that drives you forward when you start a new journey, right? Start a new task. It won't last forever. What you need here is discipline. Write down a daily routine that you can stick to, a daily goal that you have to achieve every single day. You can write multiple things or you can write one thing. You stick to the goal and it will become a habit, something you automatically do without needing any motivation. But all of the information I've just told you won't work unless you follow the next step. Disappear. Leave. Remove yourself. Become nothing. Cease to exist. Think about it. Think. The fact that you're here, the fact that you exist, the fact that you're on this planet, you're everywhere, every second. On Discord, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Twitter, TikTok, Tinder, all the time at the same time. Every second, dozens of notifications from thousands of people from all over the world are sent to you. Our minds are processing a staggering amount of information. And in order to achieve maximum productivity, you have to remove yourself from all of that distractions. The next time you work, simply go offline. Turn off notification, turn on airplane or do not disturb mode on your phone, and you will find that session to be twice as effective. Just try it. I dare you. Do it. But wait, there's more. And since you've watched to this point and I love you, here's a bonus step. Subscribe. But in all seriousness, share your goals. Studies have shown that humans are more committed to a goal that they have shared with their friends. More than 70% of people who update their goals to their friends succeed. This works because our brains don't like lying. So by writing your goals down and telling somebody, you've made a subconscious decision to yourself that you will achieve the goal in order to stay truthful to your word. So tell your friends, your family, the people you trust. In fact, go to the comment section of this video and write down your goal. Let's help each other succeed. These 4 powerful steps are effective, but they won't work until you have a clear goal in mind. So subscribe to make sure you won't miss the video on how to set realistic and achievable goals for the long term. And unfortunately, I've gotta go. I truly thank you for watching. See you guys again next time.